Ma'am, it's 1 by 14.
Okay, correct. Good. Okay, yeah. This one,
Um, minus 3 by 7.
okay, very good. Okay, fine. Yeah. Then for rational numbers, we have some properties. Um, if you go to the next screen, you can see it.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So you last year and all you might have learned about the properties, different properties for the whole numbers, integers and all.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Do you remember these properties?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. What is closure property?
Ma'am, it tells if the rational numbers are closed under addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Like that. So,
Yeah. Closed
rational
under
number
addition means?
like a plus b is equal to b plus a. So, for subtraction, a minus b is not equal to b minus a.
Yeah, that property is actually two rational numbers. What will you get?
Ma'am, we'll get a rational number.
Yeah, that also will get a rational number. Right. Okay. So you can just try adding it 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4.
Ma'am, first have to bring the denominators same, right?
Yeah.
Ma'am, it's 3 by 4.
3 by 4. Yeah, right. So it's a rational number.
Yes.
Yeah. So um, you can try the second one.
The second one is minus 1 by 4.
Is it minus 1 by 4? Positive or negative?
Ma'am, it's positive.
Yeah, it's positive. 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4 is positive 1 by 4. That's also a rational number.
Yes.
Yeah. If you do division, multiplication,
Ma'am, it's 2 by, like 1 by 2. Answers 1 by 2. After the lowest form.
what do you get while multiplying? 1 by 2 into 1 by 4? How did you do?
Ma'am, first I brought the denominators same and then I did it.
For multiplication, do we have to
No,
make the
no,
denominator
it's
same?
only for addition and subtraction.
Yeah, yes.
So it's 8 by 1 by 8.
Yeah, right. 1 by 8. Okay. Yeah. And division. What about division? Just do this one. I'll give you one more example, okay?
Ma'am, we have to bring the reciprocal of the other number.
Yes. Yeah. Okay. In this case, we got 2 by 1, which is a rational number. But
Yes.
if we are dividing it by 0, what will be the answer?
Ma'am, we cannot divide it by 0
Yes.
because
Yeah.
division is not possible with 0.
Yeah. Division by 0 is not defined. Okay.
Yes.
So, can we say that rational numbers are closed under division?
No.
No, rational numbers are not closed under division. Exception case is only this one. Okay, 0. Division by 0. Except for that, we can say it is closed, but 0 is included as a rational number, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, you can go to the next screen.
Yes.
Eighth screen, you can see the rational numbers. We have already seen these examples, right? Rational
Yes.
numbers are closed under addition, they are closed under subtraction and multiplication also, but not under
Division.
division.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. Commutative property.
Yes. Ma'am.
Yeah, this was what you were saying. A plus B.
Yes.
Yeah, A plus B is equal to B plus A.
Yes.
Right. So can you check the first one?
Ma'am, the first one is correct as minus 3 by 8 plus 1 by 7 is equal to 1 by 7 plus minus 3 by 8.
Yeah, both the sides will get the same answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What about the second one?
No, ma'am, we'll get a negative number when we are doing through the right side. The right side part will get a negative digit, where the left side will get a positive digit. So they get different answers. So commutativity is not closed under subtraction.
Yeah, commutative is not closed in the subtraction, but here what answer will you get? 2 by 3 minus 5 by 4?
Hmm.
Yeah, so which part is negative? The,
Ma'am, the right side part.
here 8 minus 15, right? So is it positive or negative?
Ma'am, positive.
8 minus 15, right? Which is bigger, 8 or 15?
Ma'am, 15. So it's minus 7 by 12.
Yeah, minus 7 by 12. Here left side we get minus 7 by 12.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and the right side won't be equal to that, so it is not commutative.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what about this third one?
Ma'am, multiplication we get the same answer, though we change the place of the digits.
Yeah, though we change the order, we'll get the same answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what about this division?
No, ma'am, we won't get the same answer.
Yeah, correct. So in division case, it's not commutative.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay, fine, very good. And associative property. Do you know that
Yes,
associative property? Yeah,
yes.
in terms of A and B, can you say?
Ma'am, it's A
Mm,
plus bracket
yeah,
B plus C,
okay.
C, and which is equal to
Mm,
A plus B.
okay, okay. Yeah. So the first example which is given, are these two sums equal?
Yes,
It will be equal. Okay. What about the subtraction? Next one?
no, ma'am.
No, we'll not get the same answer.
Yes,
Okay, okay. If you go to the next screen, there's a multiplication.
yeah. Ma'am, we'll get the same answer because only the order is changed, not the digits.
Okay, okay. And one more screen is there.
Ma'am, the answer will be changed here as division
Hmm.
because the denominator and the yes, ma'am, won't work out.
Division, it will not work. We'll
Yes,
get the same answer.
yes, ma'am.
Okay, 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 fine. Uh, okay, can you just do that division part?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I should divide and show.
Yeah, just do it. That itself you can do it. And just check whether LHS is equal to RHS.
Yes, ma'am.